Good day everyone. For this video, I will be discussing one of the most commonly used depreciation methods in engineering economy, which is the straight line method. I choose this method because it is simple, easy to apply, and widely used in estimating the annual loss in a value of an asset. So what is depreciation? Depreciation is the gradual decrease in the value of an asset over time due to usage, wear and tear, or the passage of time. So in simple terms, it measures how much an asset loses value each year while it being used. So this is important in engineering economy because it helps estimate the real cost of using equipment, building, or other machinery throughout their useful life. We have here the FC, which is the first cost, the SV, which is the salvage value, N, which is the economy life of property in years, D, the depreciation charge per year, M is equal to any time before N, then the book value M, which is book value after M years, and then the D sub M, which is the total depreciation after M years. Actually, we have different methods or different depreciation methods, but let us focus on straight line method. So it is a method where an asset loses the same amount of value each year over its useful life. So this assumes that the asset provides equal benefits every year, so its depreciation is constant. So here we have the formula D is equal to first cost subtracted by the salvage value over the N, or the um, depreciation charge per year. Here we have a sample problem, which is a vehicle has an initial cost of 120,000 pesos and a salvage value of 20,000 pesos after 8 years. So let's find the annual depreciation at book and book value after 3 years using straight line depreciation. So we have here a sample problem. So for this example, I will use the straight line method of depreciation as it was stated in the problem. So for the given, we have the cost, which is 120,000 pesos. The salvage value, or the SV, equal to 20,000. And we also have the useful life, or the N, which is equal to 8 years. And the number of years for book value, which is 3 years. So M is equal to 3 years. Since now we have the given, next we will compute the annual depreciation using the straight line formula. So for the formula, first we should find the total depreciation after M years. So the total depreciation after M years is equals to dm is equal to d times m. But since we don't have d, we should first solve for the d. So for the d, the formula is d is equal to first cost minus salvage value over the n for the useful life. Then we will substitute the values. So the d is equal to the first cost, which is the 120,000 pesos, minus the salvage value, which is the 20,000, over the useful life, which is the 8. So 120,000 minus 20,000 over 8 is equal to 12,500 pesos per year. Now that we already have the D, or the depreciation charge per year, now let's move to the DM, or the total depreciation after M years. So DM, or the D3, since the M is equals to 3 years, so D sub 3 is equal to D, which is the 12,500, multiplied by the M, which is the 3 years. So D3 is equals to 12,500 multiplied by 3 is equal to 37,500. So that's the total depreciation after 3 years. Now for the book value, which is BV sub M, which is the 3, is equal to the first cost minus the D sub 3. So our first book value is equals to 120,000 pesos minus the 37,500. So 120,000 minus 37,500 is equal to 82,500. So our book value is equals to 82,500 pesos. That's all. Thank you, and I hope you learned from this video. Thanks for watching.